My name is Kirsti, and I'm taking you to our village island called, its name is Björköby, and it's in the middle of the World Heritage Site. So this is Europe's biggest stream, very important, and also it's not so common and not so well-known thing that also our salmon is using this stream to swim. And luckily we have a nice day today. And when you see those fishers, they keep coming here when the weather is good, and when they find out through internet that it's good time to come, and all these herrings are coming, so they come to fish. And sometimes I see them standing here. You can see when you turn around, whole horizon is owned by this village. And this island is about 72 hectares, and there lives only 390 people, so we have a lot to think about.
No. Oui, oui.
Yeah, I've been I've been here since Thursday. So I have seen some films, and I've also had the opportunity to meet colleagues and also some people that are actually living here. So it's been good. It's a good atmosphere at the Vaasa Film Festival. I like it.
Can you mention some good
I saw a quite short one that a German girl had made, which was more like a poetic story of how humans are losing contact with nature. I like that one. Yeah, philosophy. Yeah. So the thing with a festival like this is that you have so many different stories and so many different ways of making films. So it's just interesting to see different approaches to things. I like that as well.
April about, or a little later, when the ice is melting away. So all kind of fish come here to this side, the salty side, and there's a small stream which goes up here to freshwater side. And then they try to come up and lay their eggs to their freshwater side. There's a chain of small lakes here. because they know that their babies get a better start for their lives. And then it takes 2 or 3 weeks. Every evening when the sun is going down, the huge stream of fishes coming up, 1 meter thick. They want to come up at the same time. And eagles and gulls and cranes which have just moved are so hungry that they don't mind about people who are taking pictures. They just eat and eat and eat. So there might be thousands of gulls and birds all the time. It's a very noisy phenomenon, but it's worth of coming there because it's the only time you can see those white-tailed sea eagles so close, because they don't mind. They are so hungry when they just come from maybe from Lapland or somewhere, and they want to eat. Or young eagles also, they are not so good to catch fishes or to hunt. So it may save their life when they come there, when they are very hungry after winter or after spring.
Barrarna det slocknade här. Det slocknade, det var lite enkla villkor, men det var glada barn. Vi hade 3 barn på samma hästräcken och då red vi till skolan. Strömsjöprogrammen, det är ju här från Vaasa, det här Strömsjöprogrammen, det var ju jättefina, det har vi sett i Norge, men ellers det har varit väldigt lite om Finland i norr. Här är det ju hela tiden här.